Hello guys again. Today we got a new phone from Samsung, and if I can say, it's another premium phone, but on this type in a low budget area. So today we got the Samsung A50, and let's see how it's looking in the box and what we got inside, and how the phone is looking. So this phone, Samsung Galaxy A50, is coming with 128 gigabytes of storage. It's coming with an Infinity U display, which means it's got that small notch, and triple camera on the back, and we got an on-screen fingerprint. It's a 4G phone and octa-core processor, and seems to be a dual SIM. So yeah, let's just open the box. I did open it before, so you don't have to do it now. And this is the phone, Samsung Galaxy A50. I still remember 2 years ago the A series, and this is coming in a blue color. And let's just pull the phone out, and let's start the phone, and let's see what do we have in the box. So it's coming with an adapter right here. So we got the cable, USB cable, and we got some headphones right here. And if we can see, we can press the buttons for volume up and down, and another button probably when we're gonna talk on the phone. So let's pop this back on, and let's have a look on the phone. So yeah, this phone, it's coming with fingerprint on the screen, nothing on the rear back, but wow, it's a nice looking color. What do we got here? We got triple camera, which is coming with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and we got another 25 megapixel wide camera, not a wide camera, just a simple camera, and another 5 megapixel camera, and of course the flash here. And the phone, it's 6.4 inch, and it's not that heavy and not that thick. It's just 7.7 millimeters, and its weight is just 166 grams. On the front of the phone we got glass, and I think it's Gorilla Glass 3, and it's a plastic body, even the felt plastic, so it's not glass on the front. And also we can see right here, let's put the brightness up, we got an notch right here. They said it's Infinity U, like Infinity U display also, and it's a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, and also on that notch it's hiding another 25 megapixel camera, and like a feature, it's got HDR, and it's capable of video on full HD on 30 frames per second. And also the sound of these speakers is not stereo like on Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e. Also Samsung keep the jack audio, and of course you got a headphone jack, so you can listen to music. And I don't think it's coming with Dolby Atmos right here. Also we got on let's have a look. Yeah, it's right here on the edge, the tray for the dual SIM, so you can put 2 SIM on this device, or also you can put a micro SD card and another normal SIM. Support micro SD up to 512 gigabytes, and the phone is coming also in two versions, 64 or 128 internal memory and 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM. It's like any other phone. I think this is the largest screen from Samsung, if I'm not sure. Yeah, probably it's the other one, A70, and the new A90, but this one are not released yet. And let's have a look on the menu. Yeah, this is the One UI interface. We got the digital well-being here, so if you can see, it's nothing to show yet, it's just one notification and then 2 unlocks. And let's see what else we got on the phone right here. Yeah, support Wi-Fi, all the bands, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, and Bluetooth 5.0. You got all type of GPS, NFC, so you can pay with this phone. It's got all the features that you need. We got also the fingerprint under display, and we got also battery of let's see, where is it, the battery. Let's have a look. And we're gonna come back on face recognition. Yeah, we got a battery here. The battery is 4000 milliampere battery, and support fast battery charging on 15 watts. So it should keep like a full day, and also it should keep like it should charge quite quick. We're probably gonna do a lot of tests, and we're gonna compare this A50 with Xiaomi Mi 9 with Galaxy S10 Plus, and we're gonna see which one is charging faster than the other. So we got 180 gigabytes free from 128, and we got the notification menu right here, and let's see what we got in here. It's just the basic stock smart view, NFC, always on display, which I don't like to keep it honestly. Navigation bar, power key, Bixby, and also night mode right here. So there's no Bixby button on any side of this phone, but we do have like a Bixby home right here. I'm not connected on the internet at the moment. Yes, this is a premium device, even if it's for a low entry or budget zone. And also nice feature is an AMOLED, and is not that expensive, but plastic on here, and fingerprints, yeah, all over, and a good camera. I'd like to do also a few pictures, and let's see what do we got in here. A small car. Also we got the wide camera, and let's go quick through the settings. So we got optimizer, hold shutter button to take burst video, and we got 60:9 resolution on just full HD. So we got no 4K on this phone at the moment, and the front camera also on full HD, and records video in HEVC format to save space. Probably it's another format which is recording on low memory. HDR, we got HDR, location, camera modes, shooting modes. You can control the volume function for probably zoom in and out, a watermark on the button, and yeah, it's a basic menu right here. We got live focus, pro, panorama, slow motion. Yeah, we got slow motion here, and also we got an hyperlapse on this phone, AR emoji. And let's come back to the photo and let's have a look on the pictures right here. No, I don't like that. And zoom in so we can see. Yeah, it's not too bad, honestly. And let's have a look on another pictures right here. This is the wide camera, and another zoom in. Yeah, sometimes I just prefer to record or just make pictures in a wide camera. The same menu here. It's a One UI from Samsung, and button nearby right here. Yeah, so this is Samsung Galaxy A50, and it's coming in 4 colors: black, white, blue, and coral. Probably that coral blue is looking a bit different at the moment. The phone costs around 350 euros. It's a very nice looking phone, premium look, and it's a big screen also, 6.4 inch, and the notch right there, which is quite small, and yeah, it's not too bad. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please give a like and subscribe. Also, you can share the video if you want to. You can support this channel, and thank you again for watching.